Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you guys how to pair the AirPods Pro, the real AirPods Pro, with a Samsung phone using Android Oreo, okay? We're gonna get a lot of light in here now, but anyways, let's get started. So what we want to do is first go into the Bluetooth settings of our Samsung phone. We'll go to settings here, and then we'll go to where it says connections. And right in there, we'll go to where it says Bluetooth, and we will go ahead and don't do anything yet. And there's a reason why. We want to first get the AirPods Pro into pairing mode. So two things can happen. You'll open up the lid like this. You'll see this green light over here. Now, when you get that green light, basically it's just indicating that there's some battery life in there. They're ready to go. And usually the AirPods Pro would go into pairing mode automatically regardless of the phone that you're trying to pair it with. It will show up on your phone while it's searching for Bluetooth nearby devices. However, if that doesn't happen, what we're going to do is leave the case lid open like this, and on the back of the case, just like the AirPods 2, there's this button here which we can actually get the AirPods Pro into pairing mode manually. So we're going to hold that button down. You'll see this white light and then it'll start blinking. So you're going to keep that button down and then let it go once it starts blinking like this. So that's the manual pairing mode, and now it's in pairing mode. We'll turn on the Bluetooth settings, and like other Samsung phones, you'll see that it's going to start searching for nearby devices automatically, and you're going to see AirPods Pro show up. Once you see that, tap it one time. It'll say connected for call and media audio. You'll notice the green light. It goes from a white light to a green light, which means you are connected. And of course, you know the deal. Go ahead and remove your AirPods Pro, and you can enjoy them with your Samsung phone. All right, so keep in mind also that there may be some functions that just may not work because it's an Android phone, but hopefully with future updates things will get better. Other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.